this thing is about Piano4Play, and it's an automatic piano transcription and keyboard visualization system using the AI and deep learning technique. And you can call me Linda. And then today I'm talking about have a quick introduction of myself and the introduction of the paper, related Masala topic on tools and on topic, methodology, ideas, example of code, demo, and challenge, conclusion. Okay, I'm a high school student and then I'm a junior right now. Spent a long time to finish this app and the paper. The introduction is the Piano4Play is an automatic piano transcription. Using that, the user could upload record piece of music and our app will visualize the music on a digital piano keyboard. The user could see how the piano is played visually in order to help the piano beginners to see how the music will be played on piano, in order to help them learn more quickly and easily. And then for advanced players, it could use the app to see whatever they made any mistake when they are playing, so they can get some improvement on that. So our app is using Wave and MIDI file, REPL, Realtime Database, Google Club, and Unity. As beginning, I did a lot of research, and the two paper infect me a lot is one is called by Xiao and made the keyboard visualization, and it's no, I know from there is they chose to make an dente, which is the anime character working on piano keyboard to using the working step by the physical key and rhythm. They use the step by human to show the most fundamental human rhythm to show the understanding of the human step by beats. This can help more visualization on the when piano are playing. The another research is called real-time music visualization using response imaging by Taylor, and this is they turn the music into the visualization system and then perform live according to the music played by the performance. Different image corresponding to the play music are mapped out. So it can make people to enjoy the playing the music and let people know more about the two combined. And due to those two research, I knew that there's like no one was using the Unity to make the project. So I used the Unity to show a different style and different type of the piano keyboard visualization. So for the methodology part, so at the beginning, the Unity was used to record the audio and then upload to the WAV file to the Firebase for storage. The Google Club notebook will convert the WAV file into the MIDI format and then update it to the again to the Firebase for the storage. And the REPL is to the program to convert the MIDI file into a list with all the piano note data and upload all the data to the Firebase real-time database. When those things are communicated to the piano in the Unity app program, so it will play the menu. Compared to the previously received the notes data using with the notes in the existing database and then play the song. But at this time to adding some thing and then make the whole thing to more perfect and closing to the final. So it's intended the application can record the audio and send it as required to the server, which called Google Cloud. And then when it's want to choose a song, it will need to get and can use those server URL stores in the Firebase real data time. Also, right now, I want to send a request to the song as a key and can be valued wave data file, which is called record audio. Finally, use the Google Club notebook be converted into the WAV file into MIDI format or into the database list all the notes, and all data can be uploaded to Firebase Firebase Realtime Database. Yeah, and this is the how this work is app Unity format, and then go to the Python's backup and server, and then backup server have two sides: is ML organization and storage. And here I have three ideas during making the app and paper. So first is the Unity app record audio and upload a availability file to the storage. The Google Cloud Notebook will convert upload it back. And then this is the very first thought. And then second, try to send the link, the song to and evaluate the WAV file to record audio. Third, just like final, so yeah, like this. Here's some example. The first one is the part about the flag server to the host. Second part is the node information. Third is how to generate the MIDI file. So here is the thing I want to show. The Unity is all in my Google Drive. It's like too many things, so I don't want to open everything. And then the Unity, the repo is have the flag server I already talked. There's some video example, and then here's the other thing. The third one is the Firebase real-time database. Here I have all the nodes and the tool all right here. Yeah, when it's run, it's all right here. And then the call is some setup model, and then the part I already talked is the MIDI file information part, and then server parts, run server parts, yeah. And here's the address change every time the server runs can save the real-time database. I will not show that demo video, but I will show this. It's on the Google Play. It's my app right there. And then this is when we open the app. It will look like this, and we have the screen like this. When you click the instruction, it will tell what it will do, and then when you click the record audio, it will show like this. So you can choose start to record, and when you're recording, it will show this, and you can play it, and then it will transfer to this 3D piano keyboard. Then it will play for you. Yeah, and like this. And during make the app, perhaps 3 challenge parts. And for the first challenge part is to convert a piano wave file to the MIDI file and save it to a Firebase real-time database. At the beginning, I don't know how to do this. And then I use the online tools and try to make those tools that I can now put into the server, and it's also unable to put the code into run it. So that later on I did some research and then found the Python library, and which I found very useful to help me improve my Python programming skill. Then I knew that the thing is capable for helping the project to convert the WAV file to MIDI file. Sorry. And then although we have tried to hard to use the all resource we can find to solve the problem we have met, there's another problem right now. If we want to save the MIDI file as a database in our server, the size of file requires is very heavy load of the server, which is too big and expensive for us to afford and maintain. However, Mongo and SQL are not appropriate, so last we decided to use the Firebase real-time database to save the final file. For the second challenge, it was one to make the file more fluently. Using the output and simulate the keyboard. For this one, I want to make the file to be more fluently by using the output and more simulate of the keyboard. So first we try to use the 2D mode to demonstrate the data stream, but there is none of them work well. So later we decide to use 3D Unity software platform to simulate virtual keyboard scan, and the Unity support C C program language, which I don't familiar with. So I try to learn it by myself and to do this. The third is the last. I want to host a backend, and we need to choose a stable framework to build a web service response data stream. Python Flex and the Java Spring and are two options we have. So I chose the Python Flex since the Python is much more easier to launch. For learning the Python backend, I have been learned for a long time. Try to how to use it, and then we integrate all the code together into main function and the Python Flex framework, and run it to do the interaction with API call. The API takes the WAV file as an input and returns a MIDI file as the output. Then after that, we'll launch the framework on the AWS server to stable response to all the API calls. But to use the AWS server, we need to set up all library and environment. The Python version or depends also matter. So here's the conclusion. We know that this is like helping the piano learner in the advanced piano also solve the problem. So yeah, this is how the all work and then how solve the problem. So for the future work, I want to make it the user interface and experience better, like showing down playback for the beginner, scrubbing to certain part of the playback, automation equalization of the arrow, looping certain portion of playback. Also, due to the survey, I make a survey before, and then a lot of people were saying to, if this is adding more the upload bottom of for the piano sheets, a piano sheet when the 3D piano board is playing is more better, and then want to try add a metronome during this tempo so make people can more understand beats. Yeah, and thank you.